Ugh. I had to wait a few seconds for this. Wow. Let's do a nice as a 4 diff, I guess. Ooh, okay. Wait, why was that decent? Oh no! Is this gonna be the first meme song to not reach F tier? Actually, I don't know. Oh no. No, it's probably still gonna be F tier. Is the hit gonna come back? I think not. Well, the hit was the only thing good about that. He was gonna do the face bomb. He was gonna do the face bomb. That's probably like the least bad meme song we've gotten in this entire game. Compared to Funny Song and Ouya, this is the least bad because that hit is really good.
What's the word?
But like,
don't move me out. Don't move me out.
what do you want me to say
Okay.
about that? That's still terrible. That's still going F tier actually. If they had to hit, maybe it could put D tier, but like, it's still going F tier for that. But like, that's not a bad hit. I still like it.
Definitely not.
But it's, you know, it's nothing terrible. Like, it's still going F tier no matter what.